What if I told you you are not just a person living life, you are part of everything? The law of oneness says everything is connected. You, me, nature, energy, it's all part of one great whole. Your thoughts, your energy, your actions, they ripple out into the world. That is how powerful you are. So today, choose kindness, choose peace, because when you lift others, you lift yourself. We are all one, and that truth changes everything. Have you ever felt completely alone, like no one really understands you? Here's something that might change how you see life forever. There is a universal law called the law of unity and oneness, and it teaches that we are not separate. Everything, every person, animal, tree, thought, and emotion is connected. Like a drop in the ocean, you are part of something far greater, and when you realize this, you begin to live differently. In today's video, I will show you how understanding this spiritual truth can elevate your energy, improve your relationships, and literally transform the world around you. Because when you change your energy, you change the collective, and that is powerful. Welcome to Success Strategies with Wale Akiyemi. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more success strategies. Also remember to click the link below for more. The law of unity and oneness states that everything in the universe is connected. Every person, every living being, and even nature itself are all part of one greater whole. This means that our thoughts, our actions, our energy influence not only our own lives, but also the world around us. You can think of it like this. Imagine a drop of water in the ocean. While it may seem small and separate, it is actually a part of the vast sea. Similarly, you may feel like an individual, but you are deeply connected to everything around you, other people, nature, and even the energy of the universe. Let's look at the three key principles of the law of unity and oneness. Number one, everything is interconnected. We are all part of one big system. Our actions, our thoughts, and even emotions create ripple that affect others, just like a pebble dropped in a pond creates waves. For example, when you smile at someone, you brighten their day. When you act with kindness, you inspire others to do the same. Your energy, whether positive or negative, influences the world. Number two, separation is an illusion. We often see ourselves as separate, different races, religions, or backgrounds, but beneath all these labels, we are the same. We all feel joy, pain, love, and fear. When we recognize our shared humanity, we create a more loving and peaceful world. For example, two people may come from different cultures, but they both love their families, dream of a better life, and feel happiness and sadness. We are not as different as we think. Number three, your thoughts and energy affect the whole. Because we are all connected, the energy you put into the world matters. If you radiate love, gratitude, and kindness, you raise the energy of those around you. But if you spread negativity, anger, or fear, you contribute to more of that in the world. For example, have you ever walked into a room where people were arguing? You could feel the tension, even if no one said anything. That's because energy is contagious. What you put out, you attract. How to apply the law of unity and oneness in our daily life. Number one, practice kindness. Treat others with love and respect, knowing we are all connected. Number two, Avoid negative energy. Stay away from gossip, from hate and judgment. Number 3, embrace unity. See similarities instead of differences in people. Number 4, send out good energy. Be mindful of your thoughts and your actions as they influence the world. Number 5, help others. When you lift others up, you lift yourself up too. On final note, we are one. The law of unity and oneness teaches that we are all part of something bigger. Every action we take affects others, and by choosing love, kindness, and connection, we make the world a better place. Remember, when you lift others, you lift yourself. When you love others, you attract love in return. We are all one.